We're deploying this drone to create benthic topographic maps of Lake Shenandoah, and today we mapped out Newman Lake. As Newman Lake is a retention pond, it's supposed to hold water in any flooding occurrence. And so we're just trying to map the amount of sedimentation over time to see like how much the water can hold over time after a flood occurrence too. And that will be helpful to JMU facilities management. And also with regards to Shenandoah Lake, that will help the Department of Wildlife Resources.
With the data that we receive from the sonar, if we go out week after week after week, we're not going to see much change in the sediment accumulation. It's more of what we gather and how we compare that to the historical context of the bodies of water that we look into. For Newman Lake specifically, they've drained it a couple times, and there is a fair amount of data of how the lake looked previously. But for Lake Shenandoah, there's not too much, so that's what we're hoping to provide to DWR, the Department of Wildlife Resources.
To prepare for this, well, most of our information we acquired from our partners at Earth Systems Management.
They provided us with designs of their boat and their previous iterations, and some upsides and some downsides to each design, what they improved upon from each design. There was some classwork from the ISAT curriculum that transferred into building some of this, but most of it was new